everyone, welcome back to my new video. This look did not take me long at all, so I do feel like this is a nice wee quick midweek video just to show you all how I do my what is a black smoky with a massive spotlight. So this is how to do a black smoked out spotlight eyeshadow look, and also just an update on my base and foundation. So I hope you all enjoy. So please all like, comment and subscribe and enjoy this video, and we'll get started right now. So I'm going to start by concealing my eyes. So just starting off by outlining my eye and blending it in. So today the palette that we're using is the Morphe 15D palette. This is one of their smaller palettes. Reason why we're using this is this camera doesn't do any colours really justice. This has a lot of bright oranges, dark oranges, and then this here is, I don't know, sorry, this one is a really dark brown, which is what I love. But now what we're going to do, just now that I have that other eye concealed, we're going to take these little eye shields. Okay, so to start this look, you want to add a really orange base. So I'm going into my Morphe palette that I showed you before, and I'm going to, in the crease, which is a really bright orange colour, and I'm just taking that on a Zoeva 228 Luxe crease brush, which is just a big fluffy brush, tapping off any excess, should I say? I'm always saying excess. And we are just honestly blending that right into my crease, and this is going all over the eye. So now I'm just going to take a really clean fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go around my edges with that, just to make sure it's all blended out. So I like to go straight in with Dessert in this palette. It's either Dessert or Desert, I'm not sure, I think it's Dessert. And we're taking that on a Luxe All Over Shader by Zoeva, and we're simply popping that right on to the whole lid. Kind of just blending that in. Okay, so once we've put on Desert or Dessert, we are now going to start with Sweet. And when it comes here to doing Sweet, you want to turn over your brush, just so then you're keeping that side that you had Dessert or Desert on, so you know you're not mixing up for the next time. And we're literally taking that colour right on that whole lid, again. And we're going to take that same brush that we had in the crease on, and we're going to take a little bit of in the crease again, and we're going to blending them two colours into one, not going too far up because you don't want to obviously go too far up to your eyebrow. Littlest bit of glitter glue, a fluffy squared kind of brush, because we are literally just dabbing that. We're just going to take that where we put the glitter glue, and we're going to take that All Over Luxe brush again, and we're just blending that colour that will be on this brush just on the edge of that glitter. So you can see how it went big there, kind of got smaller, then went big again. That's exactly how I done the glitter on my eyes. So I'm going to move on, do the other eye, and then be back and we'll finish the rest of the look. Okay, so I've went on ahead now and done my other eye. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring off these here eyeshadow guards. You want to go on ahead and do your prepping and priming. I'm going to do that off camera. Just, you've seen it once, you've seen it 20 times. The prep I'm using is the Hydrating Mist by Superdrug's own brand with vitamin E, and the primer I'm using is the Technique Smooth It Blur Primer. Okay, so for foundation today we're using the Fit Me Maybelline in 105 and my Cover FX custom blot or custom drops, and we're also using the Cover FX custom blot drops. These are my heroes, I love them. I'm applying the foundation to my face. So I've just went on ahead and I've done my powder because I didn't realise I didn't hit the button. I just used my Laura Mercier setting powder and I baked under my eyes, on my nose, top lip and chin, just because I have got a wee spot on the top of my lip and I just want to make sure it's kind of set. So next we're going to take the NYX Setting Stay Matte But Not Flat powder. I got this out of B&M and I ain't one bit shy that I done it either. I haven't used this fluffy powder brush in a long time. It's by So Eco. It's out of Tesco. I haven't used it in a really long time, so I think I'll take it and use it today. So just taking that into the NYX powder. So whilst that Laura Mercier powder is setting, I am going to go on ahead and do my eyebrows, and I'm not going to film this because I did say I am going to do an eyebrow tutorial, but this here video wasn't even meant to come out today or tonight. I was keeping this till next week, but I thought I'll do this makeup look today and then just put it on tonight. Okay, so I have done my eyebrows, so now I'm just going to take off that powder, for the Laura Mercier powder, and to do so I'm just taking a Luxe powder brush by So Eva and my powder that I done my whole face with, which is the NYX, and just kind of patting into that and brushing it out at the same time. And now we're going to go with bronzer, and the bronzer we are using is the Maybelline New York just here we bronzing palette. Just taking then a So Eva Luxe Sheared Cheek. It's like a wee angled brush. Taking that bronzer and popping it on to where I want to look the most sun-kissed. For blusher today, I am using Sleek's blusher in Antique 142. It's a really nice kind of dark plum colour. So this is just nice if you have got a lot going on and you don't really want to use too much blush and you kind of just want to have a nice kind of blush. So for highlighter today, I'm kind of stuck on whether to use this one by Technique. It's like a kind of blushy kind of highlighter. I'm going to give it a go and see what it turns out like. So the brush I'm taking is the Morphe X Bretman highlighting brush. It's just a fluffy fan. And I'm just taking it onto the cheeks. Oh, I'm happy I went with this one now. It is gorgeous. And then I'm going to take the Make Me Famous by Fuchsia, and I'm just taking her wee middle highlight. It is fabulous. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just taking it just to give myself that extra glow. And then taking a real thin brush and taking it on to the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm just taking that now onto the inner corners of my eyes, just to give that a wee bit of a glow. So also just putting that onto my brow bone. But now that that bit's done, I'm going to take and do my under eyes now. And I'm just taking that same Luxe eye blender, the wee teeny one, and I'm dipping it into dessert, and I'm going to go underneath my eye. So just taking that under my eye. Okay, so now that underneath my eyes is done, we're going to add lashes. Okay, so the lashes we're adding today is these hairy ones. I threw the box lid out, so I can't remember what they are, so they would fit in my drawer. So I'm just going to take a brown eyeliner now, and I'm going to go underneath them lashes. And I'm going to go around my waterline here too with this. So now I'm just adding my mascara. So I'm adding my Fuchsia Bigger Better Lashes Fibre Lash Mascara. So now that both eyes are done, we're going to move on to lips. I'm taking a lip liner because I'm going to go for a red kind of look. So, taking a lip liner that I bought off Amazon, and I'm going to line my lips. Okay, so for lipstick today, we are using MUA, I think it is, in the colour Technicious. I think it's MUA's one. It hasn't got a label on it, but this is what colour it is. And we're taking it, oh sure, no, Revolution, it says it here, Revolution Pro, in the colour Technicious. And we're going over that reddish colour that we've got down. And we're just going to take a nice brush. I'm going to get a mirror because I don't want to mess up on lipstick. And we're going to blend that lipstick into the lip liner. Now we're going to take some Fuchsia Peppermint Cream Gloss. I love this gloss. It is so shiny. So I'm just taking a bit of it on to that same brush we blend it with. And look at how shiny that is. So that is this makeup look complete. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I did creating. I'm really happy with how it has turned out. It has turned out really nicely. It is just the perfect look for me for like going out, whether that be drinking or just out and about around town. It is such a nice look. So that is how to do this makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed, and please comment, like and subscribe, and let me know what you would like to see. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you all next week with a new video. Bye.